she is. Here's Savon, a wonderful, glorious girl. Oh, you got me all out of breath, girl. Yeah, all of her royal fluffiness. She's a big girl. Yeah. She told me a secret too. She told me where she hid her iPhone. So I had to swear not to tell Fabio. Yeah. There she is. Yeah. So we have a secret, don't we? Yeah, I might have to go compensate that though, huh? Oh, I promise I won't. Yeah. Yeah. Tell Canton Cat especially that you love her. Okay, I'm gonna put her in the room. Here you go. You have to come out with me. And yeah, okay. Oh, like a little birdie. Alright, I'm gonna put him in the bathroom.
Put him back?